FDOT's Special Development Program is a godsend. It gave my company access to prime decision makers at the right time that I might never have had the opportunity to have a face-to-face meeting with.
We are a participant in the specialized development program provided by the FDOT, and we found it to be a very worthwhile experience. We've appreciated the mentorship, and even more so, we've appreciated the networking opportunities that are provided by the DBE pre-bid forums. What we have found is that those environments have allowed us to foster natural relationships with corporations who otherwise may not have heard of us, and due to the nature of the in-person meetings, we are able to develop conversations that lead to opportunities that even might not be related to the particular contract at hand, but do foster a partnership that creates further work opportunities for our company.
The SDP program has been beneficial for ACE in several ways. The one thing I can think of, the roundtables are very, very helpful in meeting the contractors. Instead of driving to different companies, all the contractors there are one. You can ask questions, you get questions answered, you get some FaceTime with some of the decision makers or people who are part of the team that are making decisions on maybe your scopes of work.
Some years ago, I attended a forum in South Florida and followed up with the safety manager and the DBE manager there. We quoted them, but nothing quite came of it until 3 months later when the safety manager was on a project in Southern Ohio, a large project. They contacted me, I flew up, met with them, met their needs that ended up into a multi-year contract. Then sometime later, that DBE manager also contacted me from a project in Houston. Flew out there, met with them, ended up with a multi-year contract that ended up leading into 2 in California, 3 more in Texas, and finally 1 in Norfolk. This is a 7-year contract arrangement that went from project to project. The Special Development Program, it's darn special.
Personally, ACE actually got like its 3rd reinforcing contract because of the SDP program. I was in District 5. We were working with a contractor that we were trying to get work with. And because of that and the FaceTime we had, we did get that project.
Additionally, we have found the mentorship portion to be a great resource, especially when we find ourselves in situations that we may not be familiar with, that may be intimidating to a younger, smaller company. We have found everyone to be very helpful to us in the form of allyship and also in the form of insight and encouragement, knowing exactly how to handle a situation.